Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Living Irving. It's your girl Tanya. In today's video, I will be showing you how to achieve this makeup look. I will be using primarily all Juvia's Place products. So I'm going in with the Coffee Shop palette, and I'm using the vanilla shade in the palette to highlight my eyebrow bone and blending that out and bringing that product down on the eyelid. Next, I'm going in with that burnt orange brownish shade, my favorite transition shade in the palette, and I'm warming up the eyelid and using this to transition all the other shadows. Now I'm going to go in with this chocolate brown. I'm not sure why I lost that footage, but I'm creating a spotlight eye. And we're going to blend that out very well. And then we're going to go in with this silver color and pop that right in the center of your eye. Next, we're going to go back into that chocolate brown shade, and we're just going to add more brown where we lost it with the silver and blend it out. Now we're going in with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Natural Radiance Foundation. I am in the color Caracas. When I tell you this foundation is everything, my new go-to, like my face was looking so flawless using this foundation, and it's so affordable. I will be going back for more. Now I'm going in with the concealer in the number 15 and just concealing under my eyes for a more flawless look under the eye. And this stuff blends out like a dream, and it's super hydrating. So if you are a woman of a mature age, this will work perfect for you because it is a hydrating concealer, and some matte concealers can settle in your fine lines and wrinkles. So consider that when looking for concealers. Now I'm going in with the cream bronzer in the color Honey. When I tell you this bronzer is so blendable, so creamy, so soft, the best bronzer I've used thus far. It blends out like a dream. Now I'm going in just to brighten up with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. I'm using the color called Fair Warm. And I just want a little bit of brightness under the under eye, the forehead, the nose, and on the chin. Now I'm going in with the Honey bronzing cream and just adding it under my chin and on my cheeks and my forehead, and I'm just going to blend it out. So as you can see, I'm not using a lot of product. You really don't need a lot. A little goes a long way when creating a flawless makeup look. Don't overdo it, ladies. You don't need that much. It can really aid you when you use too much product on your mature skin. So I love to go over everything with my beauty blender. This just blends everything together. Now I'm going in with the Juvia's Place foundation powder, and I am in the color Cairo. And just a little goes a long way. You don't want a lot of powder. If you have mature skin, it can, again, settle in your wrinkles, and you don't want that. When I tell you this bronzer right here in the color medium is everything, this was just like made for my skin type, like my skin tone. It's just the right perfect amount. It's not too dark, it's not too light, and it's not ashy. And that's what I love. And it just blends out so good. Like Juvia's Place did her stuff with her makeup line. Her packaging, everything is beautiful. I cannot wait to do more looks for you guys. So yeah, I'm just going in and blending everything out. And then I went back in the shadow, the palette, and got that chocolate shade. And what you do on the top, you want to do on the bottom. I love a smoky under eye. So I'm just adding some of that product down there and taking my fluffy brush and blending it out. Blend, blend, blend. Eyeshadow looks must have a good blend, blend, blend in order to look flawless. Now I'm going in with my favorite bronzer by Lorac. It's called Hustle and something. I'll leave it underneath, and just highlighting. I love like a natural glow from within. I know it looks like I used a lot, but it worked out. It worked out. Yes, I'm going in with the blush palette in volume 2 and using the light peach color, and just look how nice and natural it looks. And then I'm just popping that silver on the inner corner ducts of my eye and blending that out with my finger. And then I am using Juvia's Place lip liner in Coffee Bean to line my lips. And then I am going to go in with her lip gloss after this in the color Oasis. When I tell you this lip gloss is so beautiful, it's like gold, but it has all types of reflex of like purples and things like that. You just have to see it up close. Beautiful. But this is the final look, honey.